Okay, these are the 3 largest knives that I own. I'm not counting the fixed blades. So these are the 3 largest folders I own. And I would love to get an 8010 or 4Max from Cold Steel. But in the meantime, let's see here. Let's go from, I guess, length. So this one is the CRKT Buku. And I just love this knife. Got this at Cabela's. The second largest knife I own is the Spyderco Resilience, and this is more in length. Got this. This is my first Spyderco that I got at Walmart. And then my largest knife, which I probably shouldn't really count, is my folder that I got at Superfleet. It does cut. I have cut myself with it. Lock back. But yeah, it's just a fun novelty piece, I suppose. Oh, do I? So those are my 3 largest folders, and just to give you an idea, there is the Ozark Trail. Next to it, that is the handles, and then the blades. But yeah, I would love to pick up a Cold Steel 4Max or 8010 in store, and I would definitely throw that in my, in my folder rotation. There you go.